This was a setup, you think? Does this look like a good time for sarcasm to you, Odin?
What are we gonna do, gentlemen?
Something! The trolley! Follow me, gentlemen! Does this trolley go to Tahiti?
I think we're clear.
You know what, Kemo? Next time, let's not forget discretion. Well, it sounded like a good lead. I know, but, well, we made it. Thanks to you.
Don't mention it.
Yeah, you did good, kid. And we each got $15. Oh, and a quarter. Don't forget the quarter.
They got Moody in the sheriff's office in Strawberry. And there's talk of hanging him.
Well, here's hoping. Odin! What? You know, nothing means more to me than this gang. This bond we share, it's the most real thing to me. I would kill for it, I would happily die for it. But in spite of that, I would have left you here to rot if Nova hadn't stopped me. All you do is complain, Morgan. You can fight, but you can't think. You can't do either.